So when I'm home is when I check what is in the fridge. This is how the mess I left. In today's video, it's going to be more or less like a vlog and just share with you a day in the life. Good morning. It is some minutes to 10 because we woke up at 9. Now I am making breakfast. For breakfast, we are having African tea. So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon and allow the tea leaves to boil. So let me just turn on the heat. Yeah, so I will leave them to boil before I add the milk. I usually like adding ginger, but my mom does not take ginger, so that is why I have excluded it. After the water boiled, I added my milk, of course Tuzo. Yeah, and then I allow the tea to boil. The first time it starts boiling, I allow it to boil to the top. Then I reduce the heat so that I can leave it to boil again without overflowing. And then during the second boiling is when I am able to remove. And if you try that way, you will love, 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 love the tea. Of course, it was ready and I put it in the flask so that I now set up everything for breakfast. So that's how I make my tea, and I would love to know how you make yours. Leave a comment down below with how you prepare your tea. And this cup was a gift. I love the cup. It was now time to prepare the French toast. I decided to use 3 eggs and of course added some seasoning to enhance the flavor. It turned out amazing. If you have not tried this recipe, you better do, and you're going to love it. I'm getting ready to go to church, so I decided to have a scrub. I used this one, lemon and honey, top class type. Yeah, so I do that maybe twice a week to just take care of my face. Time to shower, and I'm using this dab. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. Made it to church on time, so today we are doing well. We are on schedule. I don't know what I'm doing well, but I am always running, but today I have to wait. We have 5 minutes before the next mass, so we'll just give it a few minutes. The mess I left because we were in a hurry to go to church. This after dinner, I didn't return them. This is the pot that we used to make tea and French toast. The bigger disaster is here. This is how messy the sink looks like, but we're going to fix this. So when I'm home is when I check what is in the fridge. These are arrowroots. This is some okimo. This is rice, so I'll have the rice. Today is leftover day. This is some pasta and sausages. Is what my mom will have. We have some githeri here. I'll have the rice with githeri. This is meat, which I want to marinate. I just bought it yesterday. Yeah, I think we are doing well because the only other food which is left over is this, which we can eat. And this is marinated chicken for dinner. Everything else is fresh, so we are doing well. It's lunchtime. We've decided to have lunch from the leftovers that we had. As you have seen, we have minimal, which is a good thing. So I'll show you what I'll have and what mom will have. This is my combo. There's githeri, there's matoke, and there's rice. For mom, I have pasta and sausages and some matoke. Yep.
In today's video, I am going to share proven tips to becoming a better version of yourself and transforming your life.
It was time to clean my cooker. I used Super Bright and Morning Fresh, either paste or liquid, and it works magic. Do not try to use your other liquid detergents because what they do, they make the material of the cooker rust. So after testing a few ways of cleaning the cooker, this is what works for me. bigger.